Grab your 4 digital habit trackers and the series ebook by clicking the Drive link in the description below. Have you ever taken a wrong turn on your way to work without even realizing it? Or driven home completely on autopilot, only to find yourself in your driveway wondering, how did I get here? These are small examples of your brain's automatic behaviors. A big part of what we do every day happens outside our conscious control. Your brain is always trying to save energy, so it builds automatic habits to reduce the effort of making decisions. This helps you in many ways, but sometimes it works against you. The hidden power behind autopilot. System 1. Nobel Prize winning psychologist Daniel Kahneman discovered that our brains run on 2 systems, System 1 and System 2. System 1 is fast, automatic, and intuitive. System 2 is slower, deliberate, and analytical. Almost all your daily habits are run by System 1. In his book, Thinking Fast and Slow, Kahneman writes, "The mind constantly chooses the path of least resistance. Making decisions takes effort, so the brain creates shortcuts to make life easier. We don't think about brushing our teeth, which foot to start with, or how to shift gears while we're driving. But this autopilot can sometimes steer us away from what we really want." Emma's story. The power of autopilot. Emma was a student preparing for the SAT. Everything was ready. Her books, her desk, her plans, her motivation. But every night, the same thing happened. She'd check her phone for just a minute, watch a short video, and suddenly hours had passed. Night after night, it repeated. Eventually, she started blaming herself. What's wrong with me? Why can't I just focus and study? What Emma didn't realize was that her brain's automatic habit system had taken over. Checking her phone had become a powerful dopamine loop. Each new message, notification, or video gave her a quick hit of pleasure, and her brain started craving that short-term reward more than long-term success. The dopamine loop and the brain's reward system. Dopamine is your brain's key chemical for motivation and pleasure. According to Dr. Anna Lembke, a psychiatrist and addiction specialist at Stanford, dopamine drives your brain's reward system. When a behavior gives us a quick, easy reward, our brains want to repeat it. That's why social media, gaming, and fast food can be so addictive. So when you try to start a new habit, you're basically fighting your brain's default settings. Reading a book, for example, is great for you, but it doesn't give you that instant hit of pleasure. Your brain's like, why read when you can scroll? It's not about weak willpower. It's just how your brain's wired to chase quick rewards. Reprogramming the brain. The good news: you can change your brain's shortcuts, not by forcing more willpower, but by changing your environment and linking new habits to things you already do. Stanford behavioral scientist BJ Fogg discovered that the easiest way to build a new habit is to make it small and connect it to an existing routine. He explains, keep the new habit tiny, attach it to something you already do. That's it. For example, if you want to read more, start by reading just 2 pages every night before bed. That tiny goal lowers your brain's resistance. And over time, it grows into a bigger habit. The power of small steps. Your brain's shortcuts can sabotage you, but they can also become your greatest ally. Reprogramming your autopilot is in your hands. So instead of pushing yourself to make huge changes, focus on small, steady steps. Build simple habits and connect them like links in a chain. Remember, your brain isn't against you. It's just trying to save energy. Your job is to understand it and work with it, not against it. Now ask yourself, how can I train my brain's autopilot to work in my favor? That's where real change begins.